Hi, this is Steve Good with the Scrollsaw Workshop. Wanted to do a little tutorial video for you here tonight to talk about one of the features of the new Scrollsaw Workshop community forum. One of the emails I'm getting a lot, and we're seeing a lot of questions about it in the forum itself, and that is how to upload photographs to the different forums. So I'm going to go through the basics of that here with you in this video, and then we'll get a little bit more involved in the next video or two. What I'm going to do in this video is just take you to a post and actually show you the two different methods that I recommend that you use for uploading your pictures inside of a message. So here we are on the main page of the Scrollsaw Workshop Community Forum, and I'm going to go ahead and log in because you do have to be logged in to post a message or upload a picture. So now I'm logged in, and I'm going to scroll down to, and this could be any of the forums that you're allowed to post to, but in this case I'm going to go down to the Sandbox forum, which is just a forum that I use to test in. So we're going to open that up, and right now there's currently no messages in this forum, and we're going to create a new message, and inside that message we're going to get put a picture in it. Now the first way we're going to do it is to actually link to a photo that's already stored on the web somewhere. Now this is going to be a little confusing because a lot of you may not know how to get your photos uploaded to the web, but in the next video I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you how to download a free program called Bacasa that's distributed free by Google, and create a web album which is also free, where you have 1 gigabyte of space to store your photos. Now the great thing about this is you'll be able to share your photos with family and friends, you know, on the web. So it not only does it have the advantage of being able to show a picture here on my website, you'll be able to show it anywhere. So that's the first method we're going to do. So let's go ahead and create a new topic, just like you're going to create a new message. And in the subject up here, let's call it test photos. Just to get a title in there. And down here in the text area is where we're going to actually put the link to that photo. Now what you have to do to make this happen is create a couple of image tags, and luckily the authors of this software have given you these icons up there that let you include certain tags which tell the software to do certain things. The second icon right here, if you hover over it, it'll say insert image. When you click on that icon, it will insert the two image tags down into the message area of the post, and it'll put your cursor between the two tags. Now that's where we're going to type in the URL of the image that we know is already stored on the web. And again, don't worry about this part because I'm going to show you how to upload your pictures to the web in the next video. And also in this video I'm going to show you another way of doing it where you won't already have to have your picture stored somewhere. So we're going to get to all those things, but I just want to do this in bite-sized chunks. So we've got our two image tags in there, and we've got our cursor in the middle of them, and I'm going to go ahead and just paste this in out of my clipboard, but you could just the same, just type it in. So I've pasted in the URL, which is the http://www.stevedgood.com, and the name of the image is bowl.jpg. So let me show you something that's curious about this. Once you get this in here and you hit the preview button because you want to look at it, it'll give you a preview of the picture. Now if we go ahead and hit post, it'll go back to the message section that you just posted in, and this test photos is the message that you just created. Now of course over here we can see the number of views, the number of replies, and this particular message was started by me, S. Good. So if we click on this message and open it up, you can see there's our message with the title test photos. You could have typed any text in here as well that you wanted, and there's our photo that's actually linked to another site on the web. So that's the first way of doing it. Alright, let's go back now. And I'm going to create another new topic, and this time we're going to upload a photo that's on your computer to my website and have it show up in your message. So again, let's put in another message. And well, actually let's leave the subject out because that's a good way to show a problem that people come up with. Let's get down here into the text area, and right below it we'll see additional options. let's click those options, and that'll give you some more options down here. And one of them is to be able to select what they call an attachment. So we're actually going to upload the picture from your computer to my server as an attachment. So let's go ahead and click Browse. And in this case, I'm going to click on a picture called Angel Candle. And that'll put the path to that image in the text area here. And let's go ahead and hit Preview first to see the first problem that we'll run into. And it shows up there that it was fetching the message. And in this case, it came back with an error that said no subject was filled in. And another area, the message body was left empty. So right off the bat, there's the first two problems you can have. So let's go ahead and type in the pics as our title. And down here in the text area, let's just type some kind of text. Now let's go back and hit the preview button again. And in this case, it did the preview and it put the text there, but it didn't show the picture. Now that's normal in the preview mode in this software. To actually see the picture, we have to go ahead and post it. And that's when it'll actually upload from your computer to my server. So I'm going to click the post button, and hopefully the server is not running too slow tonight. All right, here's our next problem. Your file is too large. The maximum attachment size allowed is 128 kilobytes. So the picture I selected, I intentionally selected because it's too big. And that's the disadvantage of this method. Even though you don't have to worry about having some place to host your picture, you can host it on my site. There are size limitations to how big the picture you can upload is. Now 128 kilobytes doesn't sound like a lot, but I'm going to show you in the next video how you can take a 3 megabyte image and get it down well within this range to upload it. So okay, let's go back. Let's go ahead and go all the way back to the beginning and start over here. Open up the sandbox, and I'm going to do new topic because I want to start from scratch so you can see it done a couple of times. So we'll hit the new topic here, and we'll give it a second to start up. The server has been slow all day today, so we might have to pause the video here if it moves too slow. Here's our new topic. We know we have to type in a subject, so let's just type something into the subject field. And we know we have to type something into the text field, so let's type some random characters into there. Again, we're going to go down to additional options, attachment. We're going to browse to the directory on our computer. In this case, it happens to be opened up into my photos directory, but you may have to use your navigation bar over here to find the photo. And I'm going to select, let's do, let me see if I can find one that I'm pretty certain is the right size. Let's try this one. That put the path to the picture in our attachment. Let's hit post. And again, we're waiting for that file to upload, and depending on your upload speed, this can take, you know, a little while, maybe even a couple minutes sometimes. That's the other advantage of having the pictures kind of small, as they upload quicker. So here's the post we just completed. Again, there's the subject. It was uploaded by me, has no replies and 0 views at this point. We'll click on it and open it. And now you can see that we have our new message, and we have the picture in the message area as an attachment. And this little paper clip down here tells you that it's an attachment. It's kind of small, but if we click on that image, it'll open it up in a larger size that we can see it better. So that's the method for uploading a picture as an attachment. Now, I'm going to do a couple things in the next couple of videos. One is I'm going to show you how to download and use Picasa to upload your own images to a Picasa web album on the web. All that's free. And I'm also going to show you how to use Picasa to edit a photo to make it small enough that you can upload it as an attachment. So with that, I'm going to stop this video, watch it a couple times if you need to, and we'll get into a little more detail in the next video.